Okay, students, so as I had told you that I will be sending you a video, and video will about a phylum, and then we will discuss the phylum later on Zoom meeting. So students, the phylum about which we are going to discuss today is your phylum Mollusca. Okay, so this is the phylum about which we are going to discuss today, which is phylum Mollusca. So as we had already completed Arthropoda, and we know that in Arthropoda we had seen many points, like we had seen that digestive system is complete and everything. So now we will start with Mollusca. So now when we are talking about Mollusca, so if we are talking about body organization, if we are going to talk about body organization, that how the body is organized, so we can say that body organization is organ system type. Okay, so body organization आता कसा आहे, organ system type organization आहे. Okay, organ system म्हणजे काय, body have different organs. Okay, there are different organs. Apart from that, it is bilateral symmetry. Okay, I hope everybody is remembering that what is this bilateral symmetry. So whenever we are talking about this bilateral symmetry, it means if this is a body, then there is only one plane for dissection, and that one plane is the vertical plane. Okay, so जर फक्त एकच plane असेल तर मग आपण त्याला बायलॅटरल सिमेट्री म्हणतो. माहिती आहे, ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड आहे. ओके, बट इन गॅस्ट्रोपोडा आर asymmetrical. Now you must be wondering की हे गॅस्ट्रोपोडा काय आहे. What is this gastropoda? So let me tell you students, if you are talking about gastropoda, then gastropoda means twisted shell. Twisted cell is there, means in this way. You must have seen some mollusca are in this way. So this is the twisting. So if the organism is twisted like this, it is called gastropoda. And जर असे twisted organisms असतील, then they will be asymmetrical. So phylum mollusca मध्ये सुद्धा asymmetrical character दिसतात, but कुणामध्ये दिसतात? Generally it is the exception. Okay, it is the exception we can say. की सगळे bilateral symmetry आहे सगळ्यांकडे, but if you are talking about gastropoda, then gastropoda is asymmetrical. Why gastropoda is asymmetrical, students? कारण gastropoda कडे एक twisted cell आहे, असा twisted configuration आहे. Okay, so because of this twisted configuration we can say कि gastropoda is asymmetrical. Okay, apart from that we had studied that they are coelomate. I hope everybody remembers की सिलोमेट काय आहे. सिलोमेट म्हणजे त्यांचा बॉडीकडे कॅव्हिटी आहे. सो इफ दिस इज द बॉडी वॉल अँड दिस इज द गट, देयर इज अ कॅव्हिटी. दिस इज द कॅव्हिटी अँड दिस कॅव्हिटी इज योर सिलोम. सो इन फाइलम मोलस्का सिलोम इज प्रेझेंट. So organism is coelomate. Okay, so students, हे खूप important section आहे. Here there is MCQ. Okay, generally whenever we are talking about phylum mollusca, then phylum mollusca has bilateral symmetry, means bodyला आपण एकच plane पासून divide करू शकतो. But if we are talking about mollusca, काही twisted असतात. Okay, म्हणजे असा twisted configuration असतो. They are your gastropoda and they are asymmetrical. Everybody is clear? Now we will move to the next point. So now habitat. The next important thing is habitat. Habitat means कुठे सापडतात हे phylum mollusca. So habitat is aquatic. Most of them are aquatic. and few are terrestrial. Okay, so most of them are aquatic in nature. They are found in your aquatic ecosystem, and few are your terrestrial. Okay, now in case of aquatic, it can be marine, sea and ocean, or it can be fresh water. दोन्ही इकोसिस्टम मध्ये सापडतात, मराईन मध्ये पण सापडतात अँड फ्रेश वॉटर इकोसिस्टम मध्ये सुद्धा ते सापडतात. ओके, वन मोर थिंग स्टुडंट्स, या सगळ्यांकडे मॅक्सिमम हॅव बॉडी, हॅव एक्झोस्केलेटन. We had already discussed what does it mean by exoskeleton. We had already seen कि exoskeleton काय आहे. Okay, exoskeleton is the hard outer covering of the body. Okay, so what is this exoskeleton? It is a hard outer covering of the body. Almost जितके फायलम्स आतापर्यंत आपण स्टडी केलाय, प्लॅटीहेल्मिंथस, एस्केल्मिंथस कडे क्युटिकल होता, इफ यू आर रिमेंबरिंग. आर्थ्रोपोडाकडे पण हार्ड स्ट्रक्चर होता विच इज मेड अप ऑफ काइटिंग. So mollusca body also have exoskeleton, and their exoskeleton is known as shell. Okay, their exoskeleton is known as shell. Okay, this shell is a hard structure. This cell is a hard structure. Okay, प्रत्येकाला माहिती असेल that if this is a body, the body has one hard covering like this, and this hard covering is known as shell. Okay, if this is the body, then body is covered by a very hard covering which is shell. Okay, so shell is a hard structure. Now why this cell is so hard? Why this cell is so hard in nature? The cell is hard in nature because this cell is made up of CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Okay, the shell of the body is made up of calcium carbonate. Okay, so please everybody remember that phylum Mollusca have exoskeleton. You must have seen this presence of shell in snail. Okay, in pila, in oyster also. Oyster also belongs to mollusca. So oysters also have cell. So almost every organism of phylum Mollusca, their body have exoskeleton which is called shell. Okay, this is the unique feature. Now what this shell is doing? Cell protect the soft body. Okay, the shell is going to protect the soft body of mollusca. Mollusca means soft muscular body. Okay, the organisms which are there in mollusca, they have a very soft body. So that soft body of the mollusca is protected by a hard structure which is exoskeleton, which is cell. So I hope everybody is clear. खूप simple logic आहे कि जो hard shell like structure है, okay, so जो hard shell like structure है, it is going to protect the soft body of the mollusca. So mollusca have very soft body, and that is going to be protected by that shell. Okay, but shell is absent in octopus. Please remember students, shell is absent in octopus. Okay, these octopus have only soft body and they don't have this cell. Okay, so the cell is absent in octopus. जर ऑक्टोपस बद्दल बोलायचं झालं तर ऑक्टोपस कडे सेल नाहीये. ओके, सो ऑक्टोपस हॅज ओनली दॅट सॉफ्ट बॉडी, प्रत्येकाला माहिती असेल. Okay, and they don't have this cell. So it is again a very important MCQ that almost all phylum Mollusca have an exoskeleton called shell. What is the function of this exoskeleton? The function of this exoskeleton is to protect that soft body. कारण molluscaची body soft muscular body आहे. So to protect that soft muscular body, shell is there. But octopus don't have cells. Okay, octopus body do not have cells. So now we'll move to the next unique feature. So just now we had studied that body is extremely soft. So we can say that in phylum Mollusca, the body is very soft. Okay, just now we had seen. And this body is divided into three parts. Head, visceral mass, and foot. Now, as I told you that body also have shell, question comes that which part of the body is actually protected by shell? बॉडीचा नेमकं कुठला पार्ट आहे जो शेलनी प्रोटेक्टेड असतो. ओके, सो दिस फूट इज व्हेरी मस्क्युलर. द फूट इज व्हेरी मस्क्युलर and this foot is used for locomotion. Now, this visceral mass of the body is protected by shell. Okay, this visceral mass of the body, that visceral mass of the body is protected by shell. Okay, so we can say, suppose like this, that this is the head and this is the visceral mass. Okay, and this visceral mass will have a shell-like structure. Okay, this visceral mass has cell. So this cell is going to protect the visceral mass of the body, means middle section of the body. Okay, so visceral mass of the body म्हणजे काय? Middle section of the body. ओके, सो प्लीज प्रत्येकाने लक्षात ठेवा की मॉलस्काची जी बॉडी आहे ते 3 पार्ट्स मध्ये डिवाइडेड आहे. इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टोटल 3 पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज हेड, सेकंड पार्ट इज विस्क्रल मास and the third part is the muscular foot. That muscular foot is used for locomotion. So foot ला protection ची गरज नाहीये. So नेमकं जो shell आहे, this hard shell which is made up of calcium carbonate, what it is protecting? So it is protecting the visceral mass. Okay, जो middle mass आहे, visceral mass of the body, it is protected by this shell. Clear students? So please lakshat theva, it is very important that body of the mollusca is divided into first section head, second section visceral mass, and third section is the foot. And this visceral mass is being protected by your shell. Now question comes की shell येतं कसं? म्हणजे तो शेल फॉर्मेशन कसं होतो. ओके, इट इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन that how this shell formation is going to take place. So let's see how this shell formation is going to take place. So this cell formation takes place due to this visceral mass only, students. Okay, this visceral mass is the only region from which shell is going to be secreted. Now listen very carefully. तो जो visceral mass आहे, that visceral mass, it is further covered. Okay, that visceral mass म्हणजे काय students? Middle section of the body. Okay, it is present in a fold called mental. Okay, this visceral mass is again surrounded by a structure called mental. Okay, and this mental secretes the hard calcareous. Calcareous means made up of calcium shell. ओके. सो विस्क्रल मासच्या वर अजून एक फोल्डिंग असतं आणि तो फोल्डिंगला आपण मेंटल म्हणतो. ओके. अँड दॅट मेंटल इज गोइंग टू अगेन सिक्रीट द हार्ड कॅल्केरियस सेल. आय विल शो यू विथ द हेल्प ऑफ अ डायग्राम. बघा, इमॅजिन करा हे तुमचा त्या फायलम मोलस्काची मिडल बॉडी आहे. ओके. दिस मिडल बॉडी इज द विस्क्रल मास. ओके. या विस्क्रल मासवर अजून एक कव्हरिंग आहे विच इज कॉल्ड मेंटल. सो अगेन देर इज अ फोल्ड. ओके. अगेन देर इज अ फोल्ड and this folding is called mental. Okay. This mental will secrete calcium carbonate and this calcium carbonate will form the hard structure which we called shell, which is made up of calcium carbonate. Okay. So I hope everybody is clear की जो मिडल बॉडी आहे, द मिडल बॉडी ऑफ दॅट मोलस्का, त्या मिडल बॉडी मोलस्काच्या त्या मिडल सेक्शनचा बॉडीला विस्क्रल मास म्हणतात. ओके. अँड दॅट विस्क्रल मासच्या वर एक फोल्डिंग असतो. बघा, विस्क्रल मासच्या वर एक फोल्डिंग आहे मेंटल अँड दिस मेंटल इज गोइंग टू रिलीज कॅल्शियम कार्बोनेट which will be forming the cell. So it is very important. Question comes, which of the following secrete hard calcareous cell? Your answer is mental. Okay. So this visceral mass is covered by mental and mental is going to secrete calcium carbonate and using that calcium carbonate mollusca is going to prepare a very hard covering which is called shell. So I hope everybody is clear till this point that what we discussed till this point. Okay, it was very simple. There are some very important things ज्याच्यावरना frequently MCQs वगैरह विचारले जातात. Like first thing is that some are asymmetrical. We had seen that some are asymmetrical. Okay, just now आता आपण पाहिलं की फायलम मोलस्का बायलॅटरल सिमेट्रिकल आहे पण काही asymmetrical आहेत. Those who are asymmetrical, that is because of twisting. मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं अशी ट्विस्टिंग ऑब्झर्व होते काहींमध्ये. सो असा ट्विस्टिंग झाल्यामुळे प्रॉपरली सिमेट्री करता येत नाही. So such mollusca are asymmetrical. Student, this twisting is also known as torsion. या ट्विस्टिंगला टॉर्सन पण म्हणतात. आणि हे कुठल्या सेक्शन मध्ये दिसतो? गॅस्ट्रोपोडा. ओके. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग विच वी नीड टू रिमेंबर इज दॅट की ह्यांची जी बॉडी आहे ती बॉडी 3 पार्ट्स मध्ये डिवायडेड आहे. What are that 3 parts? That is head, middle section is called visceral mass and foot, which is a muscular foot. Okay? This muscular foot is used for locomotion, ते आपण पाहिला. And just now we talked about this visceral mass, this middle section of the body. If this is the visceral mass, आताच आपण पाहिलं ना विस्क्रल मास बद्दल, that if this is the visceral mass, it is protected by, it is covered by a fold. Students, त्या फोल्डला आपण काय म्हणतो? Just now we had seen that the fold is known as mental and this mental is going to release calcium carbonate and that calcium carbonate is going to form a hard structure which is cell, CaCO3. Okay, so everybody has calcium carbonate except octopus. I told you shell is absent in octopus, so please remember that shell is absent in Octopus. Octopus do not have a shell, and body of mollusca is very soft body. Body molluscaची खूपच soft आहे, and तो soft body 3 part मध्ये divided आहे. So I hope you were clear till this body explanation. Okay. So everybody is clear with this body explanation. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom meeting.